finally time I give my full detailed review, my honest thoughts and opinion about this beauty formula retinol facial wash. Okay, I'm going to show you how to correctly use this facial wash, and also if I saw any changes or any big changes or even any slight change with this beauty formula face wash, you'll get to know that in today's video. Okay, so if you're interested and want to know more, keep watching and let's get deeper into the video. So this is the beauty formula retinol facial wash. Okay, very affordable product. I got this for 40 Ghana cedis only. In case you are hearing of retinol for the first time, or in case you do not know, retinol is not anybody's mate that you would want to play with. Okay, because if you don't use it correctly, it is going to destroy your skin barrier. If you don't want to destroy your skin or burn your skin, you don't want to have retinol burns, you have to master the art of using this very active ingredient. Yes, it is a very good anti-aging ingredient. It can help to brighten your skin, give you that glassy looking skin. It can also help to reduce any form of wrinkles on your skin if you have any. Okay, so if you are aging and you need something to reduce your wrinkles, you can use retinol. It can also help to fight off acne from your skin, but you got to use it with caution if you want to see results. Okay, when I first started using this retinol face wash, like the first time I put it on my skin, I made a series of mistakes and I ended up destroying my skin. I ended up with severe burning sensations on my skin. So the first thing that you would want to do before you put this retinol face wash on your skin is to make sure that you have a very gentle hydrating product. A very gentle hydrating product, like maybe a moisturizer or a serum, particularly one with ceramides or hyaluronic acid. But I recommend ceramides because they are very good at strengthening the skin barrier and also protecting the skin barrier from getting irritations, especially if you want to start using retinol or tretinoin or adapalene or any of the retinoids. Okay, tretinoin, retinol, also adapalene are all in the retinoids family or the vitamin A family. So if you don't see retinol and you see adapalene or tretinoin, or you see vitamin A in any product, you should know that that product is a very active product. Okay, so now this one is a retinol face wash, and that is why I decided to go grab this beauty formula ceramide serum, this one right here, to help to protect my skin barrier against any irritations. Okay, so if you want to start putting retinol on your skin, you need to make sure that you have something like this from beauty formula. This is their ceramide serum. Okay, and you can also get the one from Face Facts. Face Facts also has a ceramide serum, this one right here on your screen. So it's either you get the beauty formula ceramide serum or the Face Facts ceramide serum, or any hyaluronic acid serum or ceramide serum you can place your hands on. So just make sure that you have a very gentle moisturizer or serum with this ceramide inside of it. Okay, the second thing that you would want to know before you put retinol face wash on your skin is that you need to make sure that your hands and also your face is completely dry before you put your retinol face wash on your skin. Okay, make sure that your hands and your face is completely dry before you put any retinol face wash on your skin. Do not wet your face and your hands before you put your retinol face wash on your skin. You can do that with your regular facial washes, okay, to help your facial washes foam better. But you see, when it comes to retinol, it is best used on dry skin, be it a facial wash, be it a moisturizer, be it a serum. You have to make sure that your skin is completely dry before you put any retinol product on your skin, because it simply works well on dry skin, doesn't work well on damp skin. Okay, because like when it comes to contact with water, it is going to quickly absorb into your skin than usual. Retinol is not supposed to absorb quickly into your skin. It is supposed to penetrate slowly into your skin. But if you put it on damp skin or on a wet skin, it is going to quickly absorb into your skin, and this action can lead to skin irritations like redness, peeling, burning, or severe acne breakout. So if you want to avoid any of those, then you have to put your retinol product on a very dried out skin or dried up skin. Okay, so one of the reasons why I was getting those burning sensations when I started using this retinol face wash is that I followed the directions over here, which says to wet your face with warm water before you use your retinol face wash, and I was always getting these burning sensations. Okay, but when I did a more in-depth research about how to use a retinol face wash, I found out that you have to also use your retinol face wash on a dried out skin or on a dried up skin. And so now, ever since I started using it like that, my skin is okay, my skin is fine, like my skin is calm now. There's no burning sensations on my skin. Now the third thing that you need to know, okay, is that you also have to use a very small amount of your retinol face wash. Like, remember to always use a pea-sized amount. Do not use plenty of your retinol face wash or any of your retinol products. Just a small amount of this face wash on your skin, at most twice a week and at night time only. Also, always remember to use it during the night only, at night time only. Active products like retinol should only be used during the night. That is the best way to use actives. Now let me show you how I use this my retinol face wash. Because it is during the day, I don't want to risk my skin. The sun is out, okay, I don't want to risk my skin, so I'm going to tell you how I correctly use my retinol face wash to avoid all those burning sensations from getting to my skin. So when I know that I am going to use this my retinol face wash at night, like maybe if I'm going to use my retinol face wash this night, today is a Wednesday, okay, so if I know that I am going to use my retinol face wash this Wednesday night, when I am doing my morning routine, I make sure that after washing my face with my gentle face wash, I go ahead and use my ceramide serum. Okay, normally I like to use my niacinamide serum, but when I know that I'm going to use this my retinol face wash tonight, I'll use this my ceramide serum along with my sunscreen. Sometimes I add my aloe vera gel, this one right here. Okay, so that will be my morning routine with this ceramide serum, because I want my skin barrier strengthened before I use my beauty formula retinol face wash. Do you understand? So after a long day, when I am ready to do my nighttime retinol routine, I go ahead with my retinol face wash without wetting my face and my hands, okay, and wash it off or rinse it off with lukewarm water. Lukewarm water, not cold water or hot water. Lukewarm water. Okay, then when I am done using my facial wash, this retinol facial wash, I pat my skin dry, make sure that all the water on my skin and on my hands are completely dry, and then I go in with my ceramide serum again to help to strengthen and protect my skin barrier. If you are able to protect and strengthen your skin barrier, this retinol or any retinol product will be your best friend, trust me. Okay, so that is what I do. I use my ceramide serum to strengthen my skin barrier, and when I'm done, I wait for a few seconds or a few minutes, and then I top up with my aloe vera gel. I am done for the night. You can see that I did not add any vitamin C serum, I did not add any vitamin C moisturizer or any moisturizer with chemical acids in them. Retinol should only be used with hydrating, gentle products. Okay, so products with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, centella. Yes, you can actually use centella with retinol as well, like very calming, gentle ingredients to avoid you getting irritations. Okay, you can correctly use this facial wash in your bathroom. Use it on a dry skin. Make sure that your skin is completely dry, but when you come in and you use a vitamin C serum, trust me, your skin is going to be irritated, so you don't want to be doing those on your skin. So that is how I use my retinol serum to avoid getting burned by retinol, to avoid getting any irritations from retinol or even from purging. Okay, I haven't purged with using this retinol facial wash. Purging is like a normal process that you go through after using retinol for the first time, or using tretinoin or adapalene, or sometimes even azelaic acid, or even your chemical acids. Okay, so purging is like a normal process that you can go through. But if you are using your actives correctly, you stand a chance of not getting those harsh acne breakouts on your skin. Okay, if you use it correctly, there's no way you are going to purge. You might purge a little bit, just a little bit, like maybe on areas where you usually break out. So for me, I usually break out around this area, okay, around this area, and also on my forehead, slightly on my forehead. So when I started using this retinol, I was breaking out slightly here and also here, and sometimes I get a pimple or two on my face. That is all. I don't break out, like I don't go through that excessive purging phase. I'll leave the picture right here for you to see. So if you use it correctly, you are going to beat that purging phase. You are still going to have your normal skin and wait for your skin to get better. So have I seen any changes with this beauty formula retinol face wash? Not yet. My skin is still looking okay, just like it used to. Okay, you know, I don't have plenty wrinkles or fine lines on my skin because I'm always taking care of my skin, so I don't have those wrinkles. But I haven't gotten my glass skin yet. Okay, but I know that with consistency, as I continue to use this beauty formula retinol face wash, I am going to see my results. Remember, consistency is key. Okay, consistency is key. Do not rush with this retinol face wash. Twice a week is enough. Okay, but if you are just starting, you can start with once a week along with hydrating products. So if you are planning to get this beauty formula retinol face wash, do not expect to see massive results in a week. You have to be very, very consistent, and it also smells really, really nice. This is a good product. You will love it. I am certain you will love it, and I'll rate it a 7 out of 10. It is good. Okay, yeah, so that is it for today's video. If you made it this far, thank you so much. You're the best. You know how I feel about you. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Also subscribe for more amazing skincare content like this one. Trust me, I have more coming. Okay, so you want to subscribe for more amazing skincare content like this one. Leave me your comments and your questions down in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like this video before you leave, and I'll catch you in the very next video. Till next time, take care, stay blessed, love you, bye.